Have you ever wished for simple tricks to make everyday life easier? Today, I'm sharing 10 brilliant household hacks to save you time, effort, and money. Chopping garlic can be messy and smelly, right? Here's a quick trick to keep your hands clean. Take a fine mesh strainer, press a garlic clove through it, and done. Finely mince garlic in seconds. No mess, no sticky hands. How do you usually prep your garlic? Share your kitchen hacks. Red dates are great for health, but those pits can be a pain. Instead of struggling, use a chopstick to push the pit out from the bottom. It pops right out. Quick, easy, and mess-free. Have you tried making homemade red date tea? Let me know if you'd like a recipe. Have you ever lost your bookmark and had to flip through the entire book just to find your spot? Well, I've got a super simple DIY bookmark hack for you. Just follow along with the tutorial in the video and you'll never lose your place again. With just a few easy steps, you can create a cute and practical bookmark. No need to buy one. Onions spoil quickly if not stored properly. Here's a simple trick. Put them inside a clean stocking and hang them. This keeps air flowing, prevents mold, and keeps onions fresh for weeks. Do you have any secret tricks for keeping produce fresh? Worried about mosquito coils leaving burn marks on your table? Here's a simple fix. Use a nail clipper as a stand. Just follow my demo, and you'll have a safe, mess-free solution. What's your go-to trick for keeping mosquitoes away? Have you ever wanted to make a gift feel extra thoughtful, but you didn't have fancy wrapping paper? No worries. With just a paper bag and a few easy folds, we're about to create something truly charming. Start by carefully trimming both ends of the bag. Then gently pull the paper apart to create a neat shape. Fold a crisp, straight edge to give the bag a polished, structured look. And now for the magic touch. Fold the top corners into a triangle, making it resemble a cute little shirt. Simple, elegant, and filled with love. Has this ever happened to you? You're all ready to head out and then... Uh-oh, your outfit is covered in pet hair and dust. It happens to all of us. But don't worry, if you don't have a lint roller, I've got a quick and easy trick for you. Just grab some tape, wrap it around your hand with the sticky side facing out, and gently press it onto your clothes. In just seconds, all the lint, pet hair, and dust will be gone. No more last-minute outfit struggles. Do you sometimes mix up your chopsticks after washing them? No worries. Just lay them flat and push one gently. The thinner end will roll faster, helping you tell them apart instantly. Simple yet genius. Do you prefer chopsticks or forks? Did you know an empty tape roll can become a cute craft storage box? Just glue a piece of sturdy cardboard to the bottom and follow my steps. You have a perfect container for sewing needles, beads, or small craft items. Practical and adorable. What's the one craft item you always have lying around? Got an old light bulb? Don't throw it away. Turn it into a charming little mushroom decoration. Remove the base, flip the bulb, paint it, and you have an adorable handmade decor. Glue 2 bottle caps together. And attach them. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun DIY and home hacks.